Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you're watching Learning English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. So in this video I am going to explain another preposition which is after. So now what is after? See. After is a preposition. According to the grammar, it is a preposition, right? According to the grammar, after is a preposition. After grammar के लिहाज से ये एक preposition है. Is this clear? See the next step. Now what does it mean? It means after means later than. In English, after means later than. Is this clear? After का क्या मतलब है? After का मतलब है के बाद. हम कहते हैं ना उर्दू में इसके बाद, उसके बाद, तो after का मतलब है के बाद. Is this clear? Now what is the usage of it? इसके क्या इस्तेमालात हैं? See. After is used for order or arrangement. See the usage of after. After is used for order or arrangement. Whenever something unsequenced, right? We want to make them in sequence. The things which are randomly, randomly, right? But we want to make them in order or arrangement. I mean, we want to arrange them, right? Or we want to, make them in sequence. Is this clear? After का क्या इस्तेमाल है? इसका इस्तेमाल ये है कि हम किसी चीज़ को तरतीब में करें. किसी चीज़ को तरतीब में करें. Order या arrangement का मतलब है तरतीब में करना. Is this clear? So see the example. P is after O. If we talk about alphabets, right? P comes after O. P comes after O. So we can say that P is after O. Is this clear? See another example. Sunday is after Saturday. Sunday is after Saturday. We are talking about order or arrangement, right? In sequence. We are announcing the days in sequence, not randomly. Is this clear? So see, Sunday is after Saturday. So it means Sunday comes after Saturday. Is this clear? See one more example. April comes after March. April comes after March, So we want to make them, we want to make them in sequence. We want to make them in arrangement, right? We want to arrange them. April comes after March. Is this clear? See in Urdu, P is after O. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि P O के बाद है. P O के बाद आता है. Is this clear? Sunday is after Saturday. Sunday मतलब इतवार का दिन जो है ये हफ्ते के बाद आता है. पहले हफ्ते का दिन आता है तो फिर संडे इतवार का दिन आता है. Is this clear? See, April comes after March. April comes after March. इसका मतलब ये है कि अप्रैल का जो महीना है वो मार्च से पहले आता है. तो सॉरी अप्रैल का जो महीना है मार्च के बाद आता है. बाद हम जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि आफ्टर का मतलब है के बाद. तो अप्रैल मार्च के बाद आता है. Is this clear, guys? So it was the end of video. I hope you have learned something from it. If you have learned something from it, so please just click the like button and drop a comment and subscribe to the channel.